Going to need to stick with me for this one. We are going to show how to use a new lace front topper that feels like human hair and is going to be so easy to apply. I've done synthetic toppers in the past, but they were a lot heavier and it wasn't quite as easy to blend, where this is going to mimic a lot more closely to human hair, which is so important when it comes to a topper because you are not going to be covering all of your head. So we're going to talk here about all of the different benefits of it and how it's constructed. First, you're going to get a really beautiful realistic hairline because it is made on lace. In addition, it will also have all of this free parting space. It will also have all of these different combs to adhere to your actual hair itself to really make sure that it is locked into place. But a new feature that I really love is this back band that can be underneath your nape here and really holding on and making sure this is super, super secure. This is also made for a widow's peak. I do have a little bit of curve to my hairline, so I can keep that peak here. You can also cut that off as well. It's a lot easier to have one initially than to add one after the fact. So what I'm going to do is just follow the lace guide here and remove this lace front. This next part, I'm just going to make sure that all of the combs are open. And in addition, I am going to slightly tease my hair here so it has something to kind of anchor into. Ultimately, the hair is going to be a little bit finer and thinner on the top. So by adding a little bit of teasing, it will help these combs really hold into place. Because the topper has a pre-plucked middle part with all that free parting space, initially I am going to part my hair in the center here, and that way it will blend really, really well immediately. Once I have done that, I'm going to lightly pick up this hair and gently tease it. Creating a little bit of teasing here so it really has those combs have a chance to really anchor. As it has that adjuster that goes around, I'm going to gather my hair here at the nape. That way I can bring that actual adjuster around first and then flip up. Just like my wearing. Got the adjuster here, I can make it bigger or smaller. It also does remove. And I'm going to put that lace at the top, at the front of my hair, and then flip up. And now I'm just going to anchor those combs in, and it feels so secure, and I am absolutely loving with how natural this looks. It is so good. Then I'm going to remove my ponytail here and regret how often I've been cutting my hair. You can see that it is blending perfectly. This is what it is looking like up close, and it is that pre-plucked middle part, but you can change the parting. And this is just going to add a lot more fullness and body and volume at the top of my hair. Again, heat safe, so you can absolutely curl it to make it work for you. I could even do something here with a really beautiful style. It does have a little bit of bangs. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is going to be a smaller launch of these toppers, but I want to hear from you guys. What other colors would you like to see? This is this beautiful, beautiful like taupey blonde, absolutely gorgeous. And there's so much intricacy when it comes to the coloring of this. You can see that it really, really mimics beautiful human hair, and that lace is so, so transparent and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited for these.